Top 7. Best breakfast. You need to know if you have diabetes. If you have diabetes, you've probably heard a lot about what you should and shouldn't eat. But did you know that breakfast can play a huge role in managing your blood sugar levels? When you're living with diabetes, starting your day with the right foods is crucial. Breakfast should be more than just a quick bite. It should be a carefully planned meal to help you feel energized, control your blood sugar, and keep you full throughout the morning. The right combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein can make all the difference. But what exactly does a perfect breakfast look like when you have diabetes? That's what we're about to dive into. Make sure to stick around until the end because I've got 7 amazing breakfast ideas that you'll want to try. 1. Breakfast smoothie with berries and Greek yogurt. When it comes to breakfast with diabetes, it's all about making the right choices, and one of the easiest ways to do that is by incorporating a delicious, nutrient-packed smoothie into your morning routine. And yes, I'm talking about smoothies even if you have type 2 diabetes. You don't have to give them up, but you do need to make sure that the smoothie is balanced, packed with protein, fiber, and low in sugar. Keeping it moderate is key, so sticking to a smaller glass is a good idea. Let's talk about the Very Berry Smoothie, a recipe that I absolutely love, and which comes from Jill Weisenberger, a registered dietitian nutritionist and certified diabetes care and education specialist from Yorktown, Virginia. She's also the author of Diabetes Weight Loss, Week by Week, and has tons of great tips for managing diabetes through food. What's so special about this smoothie? For one, it's a powerhouse when it comes to protein. You don't need any protein powders to make this work because Greek yogurt provides all the protein you need. In fact, 1 serving of this smoothie, which is about 1.5 cups, delivers a whopping 22 grams of protein, an excellent source for your body. Along with that protein, you get 30 grams of carbs and 5 grams of fiber, making it a great source of fiber too. But the best part? The recipe is super simple and quick to make, so it's perfect for those busy mornings when you're rushing out the door. It only requires 4 ingredients: Greek yogurt, frozen berries, which are full of fiber, milk, and, if you'd like, a bit of sweetener to taste. That's it. This smoothie is not only fast, but also portable, meaning you can grab it on the go and still get all the nutrition you need. Plus, it's made with ingredients you probably already have at home, or things that are easy to swap out depending on what you have on hand. 2. Whole wheat blueberry muffins with a protein-rich side. When it comes to breakfast with diabetes, baked goods like muffins don't have to be off limits. In fact, you can enjoy a batch of whole wheat blueberry muffins, especially when they're made with ingredients that help you manage your blood sugar levels. This recipe comes from Vinci Tsui, a registered dietitian nutritionist, RDN, based in Calgary, Alberta, and it's a great example of how you can enjoy your favorite baked treats without worrying too much about the impact on your blood sugar. One common myth about diabetes is that you have to completely avoid sugar and carbs to manage your blood sugar. In reality, it's all about balancing your meals and portions. Tsui explains that combining smaller portions of foods with a higher glycemic index, GI, with protein-rich foods in moderation can help you manage your blood sugar more effectively. This means you don't have to cut out all carbs. Instead, focus on balancing them with proteins and healthy fats. The glycemic index, GI, is a scale that measures how much certain foods affect blood sugar levels. Foods are ranked from 1 to 100, with foods considered high GI, above 70, raising blood sugar faster than those with a low GI, below 55. However, the glycemic load, GL, is another important factor. The GL not only considers how much a food increases blood sugar, but also factors in how much glucose is in a typical serving. For example, while watermelon has a high GI of 80, it has a low GL of 5 because it doesn't contain many carbs per serving. What this means for your breakfast is that pairing higher GI foods like a muffin with protein-rich foods can help lower the overall glycemic load of your meal. For instance, you could enjoy one of these whole wheat blueberry muffins with a side of protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, a slice of cheese, or a hard-boiled egg. Tsui recommends pairing the muffin with non-fat, plain Greek yogurt, which not only adds protein, but can also help you regulate your weight. A 156-gram container of non-fat Greek yogurt provides 16.1 grams of protein, helping to keep you fuller longer and keeping your blood sugar steady. One muffin contains about 31 grams of carbs, which is a reasonable amount for a balanced breakfast when paired with protein. This combination of a fiber-filled muffin and protein makes for a satisfying and diabetes-friendly breakfast that will keep you energized without spiking your blood sugar. It's quick, easy, and can be a perfect option for busy mornings. 3. Whole grain cereal with oatmeal, egg, and ground flaxseed. When it comes to breakfast with diabetes, you might think oatmeal is too plain to be satisfying, but trust me, done right, it can be the perfect way to start your day. Anne Mawney, MPHRDN, from Alexandria, Virginia, creator of Fantastic Food, has a brilliant way of making oatmeal not only delicious, but also diabetes-friendly. She explains that oatmeal can easily be turned into a high-protein, filling meal that won't leave you feeling hungry after an hour. By adding ingredients like eggs, milk, and ground flaxseed, you're not only enhancing the flavor but also boosting the nutritional value, making it a great choice for managing blood sugar. This oatmeal recipe is packed with protein thanks to the eggs and milk, and that's key when you have diabetes. Protein helps stabilize your blood sugar, and with 16 grams of protein per serving, this oatmeal recipe has some serious staying power. Plus, the addition of ground flaxseed gives your oatmeal a healthy dose of fat and fiber. Fiber is an important nutrient when managing diabetes because it helps slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing those spikes in blood sugar. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed provides 1.91 grams of fiber and 1.3 grams of protein, which is a great way to start your morning with a nutrient-packed meal. Of course, oatmeal does contain carbs, and this recipe has about 53 grams of carbs per serving, so it's important to keep track of your portion sizes. But when combined with protein and fiber-rich ingredients like eggs and flaxseed, the overall impact on blood sugar is much less significant than it would be if you were eating the oatmeal on its own. This combination not only keeps you full for longer, but also ensures your blood sugar stays stable throughout the morning. Whether you prefer your oatmeal hot or cold, this recipe offers the perfect balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fats to give you a delicious, satisfying breakfast that helps manage your diabetes. It's an easy, customizable breakfast that you can enjoy every morning, and it will keep you full and energized all day long. If you're finding these breakfast ideas helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes with delicious meals. You won't want to miss what we've got coming up next. 4. Vegetarian eggs and lentils on toast. If you're looking for a hearty, satisfying breakfast that's also diabetes-friendly, consider this vegetarian eggs and lentils on toast recipe from Amy Gorin, RDN, based in Jersey City, New Jersey. It's a twist on the classic scrambled eggs and toast, offering a protein-packed, fiber-rich meal that can keep you full and your blood sugar stable. The dish features a sunny-side-up egg on each slice of toast, and when paired with lentils, it provides a great combination of protein and fiber. The protein in the eggs and lentils helps you feel fuller for longer and stabilizes your blood sugar levels throughout the morning. One large egg contains 6.2 grams of protein, along with 231 micrograms of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients that are particularly important for eye health, a common concern for people with diabetes. These nutrients have been shown in research to support and maintain eye health, which is critical when managing diabetes. The lentils in this dish aren't just filling. They're also a great food choice for diabetes management. Lentils have a hypoglycemic effect, meaning they can help lower blood sugar levels, making them a helpful food for managing and preventing diabetes. Studies, such as a review published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, suggest that lentils can even reduce the risk of developing diabetes. As for the carb content, each serving of this dish contains about 62 grams of carbs, which is on the higher side for someone with diabetes, so it's important to be mindful of your portion sizes and add-ins. However, this meal makes up for it with a hefty 20 grams of fiber, which helps slow the absorption of sugar and keeps blood sugar levels in check. The 25 grams of protein per serving ensure that you'll feel satisfied and energized throughout the morning. This vegetarian eggs and lentils on toast is an excellent breakfast option that gives you a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy carbs. It's easy to make and a great way to kickstart your day while keeping your blood sugar stable. It's filling, nutritious, and perfect for anyone looking for a diabetes-friendly breakfast that doesn't sacrifice taste. 5. Mushroom freezer breakfast burritos. If you're craving a breakfast burrito, you're in luck. You can still enjoy this classic favorite while managing your blood sugar with a simple and delicious mushroom freezer breakfast burrito. Natalie Rizzo, RDN from Greenlet's in New York City, explains that this breakfast option is packed with protein and fiber, two nutrients that are essential for controlling blood sugar. This breakfast burrito is filled with 20 grams of protein from eggs and cheese, which helps keep you full and helps regulate your blood sugar levels throughout the morning. It also has 4 grams of fiber, which is important for slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing blood sugar spikes. In addition to protein and fiber, the mushrooms in the burrito provide important vitamins like D and B. Vitamin D supports bone health and may boost immunity, while B vitamins play a role in everything from generating red blood cells to supporting healthy pregnancies and fighting infections. The combination of eggs, mushrooms, and goat cheese in this burrito creates a savory umami flavor that will make you want to enjoy this breakfast every day. And the best part? You can prepare a batch of these burritos ahead of time and freeze them for a quick on-the-go breakfast that you can easily heat up in the microwave. This makes it perfect for busy mornings when you still want a nutritious, diabetes-friendly meal. Each burrito contains 28 grams of carbs, which is a reasonable amount to manage with a balanced breakfast. Whether you enjoy it fresh or frozen, this mushroom breakfast burrito is a satisfying and easy way to start your day with the right nutrients to keep your blood sugar stable and your energy high. 6. Bagel thins with nut butter, banana, and chia seeds. If you're a fan of bagels but worried about the carb load, this twist on the classic breakfast favorite is a perfect solution. Catherine Doherty, the founder of Family Food on the Table, has come up with a diabetes-friendly version of a bagel that's delicious and satisfying without the heavy carb load. Instead of a traditional bagel, try a whole wheat mini bagel topped with nut butter, banana slices, and a sprinkle of chia seeds, all finished off with a drizzle of honey. It's a simple recipe that can be whipped up in no time. One of the things that makes this breakfast so great is that you don't have to worry too much about the sugar in the honey. As long as you enjoy it in moderation and keep track of how it fits into your overall carb budget, it's a great way to add a touch of sweetness. If honey or maple syrup doesn't fit into your meal plan, you can always swap it for a little cinnamon or a sugar substitute that won't cause a blood sugar spike. It's all about balance. The protein from the almond butter and chia seeds, combined with the fiber from the whole wheat bagel and banana, makes this a balanced, diabetes-friendly meal. The banana alone provides over 1 gram of fiber, according to the USDA, and fiber is key for managing blood sugar because it helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. What's even better? This bagel thin is way lower in carbs than a traditional bagel. A typical plain large bagel contains a whopping 70 grams of carbohydrates, while one serving of this bagel thin, with its nut butter, banana, and chia seeds, contains just 39 grams of carbs, so you can satisfy that bagel craving while still keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast or a satisfying snack, this recipe is a great choice for anyone with diabetes looking for a healthy, tasty option. 7. No-bake Blueberry Almond Energy Bites. If you're in need of a quick breakfast that you can take on the go, these no-bake Blueberry Almond Energy Bites are a game changer. Perfect for busy mornings, these little bites are packed with nutrients and can be eaten anywhere, making them an excellent choice for anyone with diabetes who needs something quick and easy. Blair Lonergan, the creator of the Seasoned Mom blog, shares this simple, delicious recipe that takes just 5 ingredients: chopped almonds, dried blueberries, old-fashioned oats, almond butter, and a pinch of salt. That's it. No complicated steps, no baking required. These energy bites are not only easy to prepare, but they're also portable. Just pop them into a Ziploc bag, and you've got a ready-to-eat breakfast for those mornings when you're rushing out the door. Whether you're commuting or just short on time, these little bites are perfect for a quick meal that won't leave you hungry an hour later. Each serving contains just 10 grams of carbs and 2 grams of protein, making it a great way to start your day without spiking your blood sugar. The almonds provide protein and healthy fats, while the dried blueberries give you a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Plus, the oats contribute fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. And don't worry about the dried fruit. While it's important to be mindful of your sugar intake, the American Diabetes Association, ADA, says that dried fruit, when consumed in moderation, can be a nutritious part of your diet. In these energy bites, the dried blueberries are balanced with the protein from the almonds, helping to lower the overall glycemic load and making this breakfast option diabetes-friendly. These no-bake energy bites are an easy, delicious, and healthy way to fuel your morning. Whether you're at home or on the go, they provide the perfect balance of carbs, protein, and fiber to keep your blood sugar stable and give you the energy you need for a productive day. If you're looking to keep your diabetes in check while enjoying delicious meals, check out our cooking channel just for you. We share tasty, diabetes-friendly recipes that make healthy eating easy and fun. Don't miss it. Head over now and start cooking with us. We will leave the channel link at the description. Before we wrap up, I hope you found some tasty and diabetes-friendly breakfast ideas to try out. Whether it's a smoothie, a muffin, or a veggie-packed burrito, you can see that you don't have to sacrifice flavor to manage your blood sugar. Remember, the key is balancing your carbs, proteins, and healthy fats so you can feel satisfied and energized throughout the day. And hey, if you liked these ideas and want to learn more about diabetes-friendly meals, don't forget to check out some of our other videos here on the channel. We've got tons of tips to help you live your healthiest life, no matter what your challenges may be. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. See you next time. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.